Welcome back to another comprehensive review session. Today we're diving deep into an evaluation of Apple Pay. Apple Pay is a mobile payment and digital wallet service by Apple Incorporated, introduced in October 2014. It allows users to make secure, contactless payments using their Apple devices. Setting up Apple Pay. Adding cards. Users can add their credit, debit, and prepaid cards to the wallet app on their device. Verifying cards. Banks may require verification through SMS, email, or a phone call. Once verified, the card is ready for use with Apple Pay. Security and privacy. Tokenization. Apple Pay uses tokenization to secure transactions. Instead of transmitting card details, a unique device account number and a dynamic security code are used for each transaction. Biometric and passcode verification. Transactions require verification through Face ID, Touch ID, or a device passcode, adding an extra layer of security. Privacy. Apple does not store or track transaction information. The merchant only receives the information necessary to process the payment, without the actual card details. Acceptance and compatibility. Merchant acceptance. Apple Pay is accepted at millions of locations worldwide, including major retailers, restaurants, and online stores. However, acceptance may vary by region and merchant size. Bank and card issuer support. Most major banks and card issuers support Apple Pay, but availability can vary by country. Integration with other services. Apple Wallet. Apple Pay integrates with Apple Wallet, allowing users to store and use boarding passes, tickets, loyalty cards, and more. Transit systems. In many cities, Apple Pay can be used to pay for public transit. Users can simply tap their device at transit gates or readers. Apps and websites. Apple Pay is supported by a growing number of apps and websites, enabling quick and secure checkouts. Advantages of Apple Pay. Convenience. Apple Pay simplifies the payment process, eliminating the need to carry physical cards or cash. Security. The use of tokenization, biometric authentication, and non-storage of transaction details enhances security. Privacy. Apple's commitment to user privacy ensures that transaction details are not stored or tracked. Contactless payments. The ability to make contactless payments is especially valuable in the context of health and hygiene. Limitations and challenges. Device dependency. Apple Pay is only available on Apple devices, which can be a limitation for non-Apple users. Merchant and bank support. While growing, the level of acceptance among merchants and support from banks can still be inconsistent. Accessibility issues. In case of device loss or damage, users may face difficulties accessing their payment methods. Conclusion. Apple Pay is a robust, secure, and convenient mobile payment solution for users within the Apple ecosystem. Its seamless integration with Apple devices, enhanced security features, and commitment to privacy make it an attractive option for many users. However, its limitations in terms of device dependency and varying levels of acceptance should be considered. As Apple continues to expand and innovate, Apple Pay is likely to become even more integral to the digital payment landscape. That wraps up our detailed review of Apple Pay. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.